Hey everybody, Trish from Foldfactory coming at you from my Fold of the Week video studio, and I just want to say congratulations to Hopkins Printing of Columbus, Ohio for their Best of Show award in the 2018 Print Excellence competition. So let's take a look at their winning entry. This piece was submitted to the books other than hardbound, larger than 6 by 9 inches category, and this was produced for Pizzuti Collection for the promotion of an art exhibit called Visions from India. So this piece actually works as a beautiful set to promote the event. There's a wrap on the outside and two perfect bound books on the inside. So I'll show you how this works. It opens up, and then the two books come out. But the wrap is just, it's beautiful. It's got a 1.4 mil matte soft touch laminate on it. The scores are just dead on. There's tremendous detail in all of the imagery. It just feels really nice, and it folds perfectly around its contents. And then the books, each one is different. Each one has a die cut cover. And these are McCoy 100-pound text and cover on the outside, text on the inside. And then there is a soft touch aqueous and a satin aqueous on the inside text pages. And so there's tremendous, like, solid ink coverage. These are offset printed 4-color, so it's amazing to see the way they've hit the color, the heavy solids, not only page to page, but with no roller marks, no issues at all. It's just, it really is perfection. And then there's beautiful artwork with lots of detail on all of the pages. Each book is different and really, really interesting and beautiful. And so then these pieces were perfect bound, and then they were hand married to the wrap and put together as a beautiful set. So they did about 1,500 of these, and just so well executed. Love this piece. Beautiful work and very well deserving of a Best of Show award. So congratulations, Hopkins Printing, for a job well done.